This is episode 10, and today I will show you how to perform arithmetic calculations through Google Sheets. So right here, I have a little table just showing you correct notation for each calculation or each operation. So for addition, just the plus sign, subtraction is a dash, division, a slash, multiplication, an asterisk. So I'm going to do one of each operation. So to actually start a formula, you have to press the equal sign. Then you can type in 100, maybe plus 25, and it shows you a glimpse of the answer on the top. If you want to get that answer into the cell, you simply press enter. And then I'm going to do another random calculation here, 111, and then division, 5 divided by 2, for example. So I've already done a couple of tests, and it gives you a certain amount, maybe like 9 or 10 significant figures. After that, it stops it, so you can actually customize that, as I said in the video before about number formatting, through these functions here. And the last one is multiplication, so equal 100 times 8. So it gives you the answer. So to actually edit the actual formula, you have to just double click and you get the actual equation, and you can just edit it however you'd like. I'm not sure about the use cases here, but if you would like to demonstrate the formula rather than the actual answer, you simply go to Format and then View, then Show Formulas. So instead of actually showing the answer, it'll show the formulas. To undo that, you just select it, View, Show Formulas, and you uncheck that. Last episode, I believe, I said I was going to complete this actual table with what I've shown you. You should actually be able to do that, but I'm going to show you something a little bit different. So instead of actually just inputting, numerical values, you can actually input the actual cell, and this is either with a relative reference or an absolute reference, which I will again go over later. So right now, with what we know, I'm going to just do it how I've taught you, and then maybe in a later video I'll show you how to do it an easier way. And as I've shown you with number formatting, you can just simply select this and add the $signs. To continue learning about Google Sheets, make sure to check out the other episodes on Google Sheets. And if you're all caught up, make sure to check out the videos every Wednesday and Friday. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.